para sa ating lahat, a song from Whitney Houston. Each day I live, I want to be a day to get the best of me. I'm only one, but not alone. My finest day is yet unknown. I broke my heart for every game maraming salamat sa konting palakpakan. Ayan.
Palakpak daw, palakpak.
Sumakit yung puso mo.
Ayan, sige po, ayan.
Oh, that song is from Whitney. Whitney Tyson. Are you gonna give you another song? I'm gonna give you another Whitney song. If I should stay, I would only be in your way. So I go, but I know I think of you every step of the way. And I will always love you. I will always love you. My darling, bittersweet memories. That is all I'm taking with me. So goodbye, please don't cry. We both know I'm not what you need. And I will always love you. I will always love you. And I hope life treats you kind, and I hope you have all you dream of. And I wish you joy and happiness, but above all things, I wish you love. Another song. This is a song from it's from Barbara and Celine. I'm scared, so afraid to show my care. Will he thank me if I tremble when I speak? There's another one he's thinking of. I feel like a fool. Life can be so cruel. I don't know what to do. I've been dead with my heart out in my head. But you must understand, you can let the chance to love him pass you by. Tell him that the sun will rise in his eyes. Reach out to him and whisper. Tell the words so soft and sweet. Hold him close to feel his heartbeat. Love a bit again, you'll give it yourself. Touching her with the gentleness you feel inside. I feel it. Your love can't be denied. The truth will set you free. You'll have what's meant to be. All in time you'll see. If I let him walk away when I have so much to say. Tell him that the sun and moon rise.
Arts, and we would like to say thank you very much to Sir Raymond Saison, and all the way from Australia. Nanonood po sila. Yan. Ang aming sponsor. One-sided love broke the seesaw down. Took it round when I hit the ground. You went your way and I went in a while. Girl, you don't understand if your heart was mine. If we had an exchange of eyes, then you know I fell apart. You feel the pain when the memories die. If we had an exchange of hearts, I never wish a lonely heart on you. It's not your fault I choose to play the fool. One day may come when you be on my shoes. Then your heart will break and you will feel just like I do. If we had an exchange of heart, then you know I fell apart. You feel the pain when a memory starts. If we had an exchange of hearts, when the time turned the table, and to now be able to find a new romance. And soon you remember my love warm and tender, too late for a second chance. If we had an exchange of heart, and you know I fell apart. You feel the pain and a memory start. If we had an exchange of hearts, if we had an exchange of hearts.
So, let's give a song from Robbie Williams. See the way there's an angel contemplate my fate. And do they know this is where we go when we're getting old? 'Cause I've been so that salvation lets the wings unfold. So when I'm lying in my bed, thoughts running through my head, and I feel the love is there. Your loving angels instead, and you will. Oh, she offers me protection, the love and affection, whether I'm right or wrong. But down the road, whenever it may take me, the Lord's love won't break me. When it comes to come, she won't forsake me. Her loving angels instead. When I'm feeling weak, with my pain walks down the one-way street. Little boy, and I know I'll always be blessed with love. And as the feeling grows, she brings splashes to my bones. When I feel the love is there, your loving angels instead. Yet you will. Oh, she offers me protection, love and affection, whether I'm right or wrong. But down the road, whenever it may take me, you know the love won't break me. When it comes to come, she won't forsake me. Her loving angels instead. There are no sections. Yet you will. Oh, she offers me protection, love and affection, whether I'm right or wrong. But down the road, whenever it may take me, you know the love won't break me. When it comes to come, she won't save me. Your loving angels instead. Ayan, so wala ba tayong konting palakpakan dyan? Napakatahimik. Ayan. Thank you so much.